Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. In this video, we bring you the most important current affairs from the last 5 months of 2025, specially curated for RRB NTPC 2025 and other competitive exams. Who has been awarded the Raja Bhalendra Singh Trophy at the 2025 National Games? Right answer is option A, Services Sports Control Board. What percentage increase has been recorded in India's exports for the financial year 2024-25? Correct answer is option A, 5.5%. On which date is World Health Day celebrated annually? Correct answer is option C, April 7th. Which bank has recently collaborated with Indian Railways to install the first ever ATM on a train in India? Right answer is option C, Bank of Maharashtra. What is the name of the joint disaster relief exercise conducted by the Indian Army and NDRF in Nagaland in May? Right answer is option C, Exercise Rahat. Recently, what percentage of TCS has been imposed on luxury goods worth more than 10 lakh rupees? Right answer is option B, 1%. When is International Museum Day observed every year? Correct answer is option A, May 18th. Which Indian telecom companies have entered agreements with SpaceX to bring Starlink satellite internet services to India? Right answer is option C, Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel. Who is the author of the book titled PMO Through the Years? Right answer is option B, Himanshu Roy. On which date is World Press Freedom Day commemorated? Right answer is option C, May 3rd. Which country recently became the second largest mobile phone manufacturer globally? Right answer is option C, India. Which country has recently tested a non nuclear hydrogen bomb successfully? Right answer is option B, China. What is the name of the Kannada short story that won the International Booker Prize 2025, authored by Banu Mushtaq? Right answer is option B, Heart Lamp. What percentage hike was recently approved by the central government for the salaries of members of parliament? Right answer is option D, 24%. Who has been declared the third largest automobile manufacturer in the world recently? Right answer is option D, India. Which country has reported a population decline for the 14th consecutive year? Right answer is option C, Japan. What is the title of the book on mathematician Ramanujan, co authored by Arun Singhal and Devendra Kumar Sharma? Right answer is option D, Ramanujan, Journey of a Great Mathematician. The SAF Under 19 Championship 2025 title was recently won by which country? Right answer is option D, India. In which state has the Rajiv Yuva Vikasam scheme been launched recently? Right answer is option B, Telangana. In which Indian city did PM Narendra Modi inaugurate the Vizinjam International Deepwater Multipurpose Seaport? Right answer is option C, Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala. The Government of India has announced to celebrate Ayurveda Day annually on which date? Correct answer is option B, September 23rd. Which state government launched the Jyoti scheme to bring migrant children into the education system? Right answer is option C, Kerala. When is Maharashtra and Gujarat Foundation Day observed every year? Right answer is option C, May 1st. When is National Technology Day observed in India? Correct answer is option A, May 11th. Which two countries recently celebrated the 78th anniversary of their diplomatic relations? Right answer is option C, India and Russia. Who is appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option B, B.R. Gavai. Which Indian state ranked first in the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, Odisha. Under what name did India launch a military operation against terrorist bases in Pakistan on 7th May 2025? Right answer is option C, Operation Sindoor. Which nation did India defeat in both the men's and women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025 finals? Right answer is option B, England. Which Indian state emerged as the overall winner of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. On 11th April 2025, India signed a Memorandum of Understanding for Scientific Research Cooperation with which country? Right answer is option B, Italy. Which Indian cities were added to the list of 31 wetland cities globally in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, both A and B, Udaipur and Indore. Which Indian state became the first to launch its own satellite? Right answer is option C, Assam. Which country unveiled the prototype of the world's fastest high speed train in January 2025? Correct option is B, China. Which country officially declared English as its national language in 2025? Right answer is option B, United States. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2024? Right answer is option B, 151st. The joint military exercise Ecoverin is held between India and which nation? Right answer is option A, Maldives. Who has assumed charge as the chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Right answer is option A, Harvansh Chawla. In which city did the Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025 take place in January? Correct answer is option C, Paris. The third edition of Exercise Cyclone 2025 was conducted between India and which country? Correct option is B, Egypt. Who took charge as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India on 19th February 2025? Right answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Who won the 2025 World Junior Chess Championship for India? Right answer is option D, Pranav Venkatesh. How many new sites have been added to the Ramsar sites list in India recently? Correct option is B, 4. Which country withdrew its membership from the World Health Organization after the USA? Correct answer is option A, Argentina. In the Henley Passport Index 2025, what is India's global rank? Correct answer is option C, 85th. Where is the Madhav National Park, India's 58th tiger reserve, located? Correct answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Who won the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 defeating New Zealand? Right answer is option C, India. The Unified Pension Scheme was first implemented in which Indian state? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. Where was the ninth Global Technology Summit 2025 hosted? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Which country officially joined BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Right option is B, Indonesia. Which country won both the men's and women's Kho World Cup 2025 titles? Right option is C, India. Who won the 2025 Abel Prize among Japanese mathematicians? Correct answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Which airport has been crowned the world's best airport of 2025 by Skytrax? Correct answer is option B, Changi Airport, Singapore. Which two classical Indian texts were inscribed in UNESCO's Memory of the World Register in April 2025? Correct answer is option B, Natya Shastra and Bhagavad Gita. Who wrote the book titled Life on Mars Collected Stories? Right answer is option A, Namita Gokhale. Which city's traditional Shehnai has recently received the GI tag? Correct answer is option C, Varanasi. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025 for military strength? Right answer is option C, 4th. Who is the current Foreign Secretary of India as of 2025? Right answer is option C, Vikram Misri. Which country recently declared the bald eagle as its national bird? Right option is B, United States. Which state hosted both the Khelo India Youth Games and Khelo India Para Games in April 2025? Right answer is option A, Bihar. Where was the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas held in January 2025? Right answer is option C, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. On which date was World Wildlife Day celebrated in 2025? Correct answer is option C, March 3rd. On which date is World Malaria Day observed every year? Correct answer is option B, 25th April. Who has been appointed as the new Space Secretary and Chairman of ISRO? Right option is C, V. Narayanan. What is the name of the AI chatbot recently launched by China? Correct option is A, DeepSeek. Which country participated with India in the military exercise Khanjar? Correct answer is option B, Kyrgyzstan. Which state is the first in India to adopt the Uniform Civil Code? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Where did the sixth BIMSTEC summit take place? Correct answer is option B, Bangkok. Where was the first ever Raisina Middle East Conference held in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Abu Dhabi. Which team won the Men's Hockey India League title recently? Correct answer is option A, RAR Bengal Tigers. Who were conferred with the Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award on 17th January 2025? Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Praveen Kumar, Harmanpreet Singh, D. Gukesh, and Manu Bhakir. Who took office as the 47th President of the United States on January 20th, 2025? Correct answer is option B, Donald Trump. According to the latest IMF data, by how much percent has India's GDP grown in the past decade? Correct answer is option C, 105%. Which cricket team won the 2024-25 Vijay Hazare Trophy? Right option is C, Karnataka. Which institute recently discovered bacteria that help combat soil pollution and boost agriculture? Right option is B, IIT Bombay. Which Indian state recorded a remarkable real economic growth rate of 9.69% in the financial year 2024-25? Right answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Who has been appointed as the 26th governor of the Reserve Bank of India RBI? Correct option is B, Sanjay Malhotra. In May 2025, the president of which country set a world record by conducting the longest press conference ever held? Right answer is option B, Maldives. Which Indian airport won the ASQ award for Best Airport in Asia Pacific in 2025? Right answer is option B, Delhi International Airport. In which Indian state did ASI discover a large Buddha head in the Diamond Triangle area? Right answer is option B, Odisha. On which date is World Sparrow Day observed in 2025? Correct answer is option C, March 20th. Who was named the ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct option is A, Smriti Mandana. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Minister of Delhi? Correct option is A, Rekha Gupta. Which Indian state has declared the Chirangripu Elephant Reserve as its eighth national park? Correct answer is option A, Assam. Who has authored the book The New Icon Savarkar and the Facts? Right answer is option B, Arun Shourie. The BrahMos NG missile is a joint development project between India and which country? Correct answer is option C, Russia. Who was presented with the Nritya Kalanidhi Award for 2024? Right answer is option C, Neena Prasad. Which state has become the first in India to implement the SC Classification Act? Right answer is option B, Telangana. Which country has ranked first in the Sustainable Development Report 2025? Right answer is option D, Finland. Who released the book titled Indian Renaissance, the Modi Decade in New Delhi? Right answer is option B, Amit Shah. Which state has made the NCERT syllabus mandatory in all madrasas? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. In which city was the 10th edition of the India International Dance and Music Festival held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of Telangana? Right answer is option B, K. Ramakrishna Rao. On which date is National Anti-Terrorism Day observed in India? Correct answer is option B, May 21st. Which country signed a memorandum of understanding with India to boost cooperation in the energy sector? Right answer is option B, Denmark. Who topped the Local Governance Performance Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. Which Indian state is hosting the first ever International Olympic Research Conference? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. When does Bangladesh observe its Independence Day, marking its 55th anniversary? Right answer is option C, March 26th. Which state has become the first in India to introduce mandatory robotics education for all class 10th students? Right answer is option C, Kerala. As of April 2025, what is the total number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India? Correct answer is option C, 43. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.